I'm going to show you exactly how to filter data in Canva Sheets with a simple step-by-step method that keeps your data organized and easy to work with, even if you've never done this before. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, select any cell within the group of data you want to filter. Then look at the floating toolbar above your sheet and click on the funnel icon. Canva will instantly turn your header or title cells into filterable columns. To use the filter, simply click on the small funnel icon that appears next to the column title. You'll see all the categories in that column. From here, you can sort your data alphabetically from A to Z or in reverse from Z to A. To filter specific categories, check the boxes next to the items you want to show. If a category is already selected and you don't want to see it, just click the check mark to unselect it, and those items will disappear from your view. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've successfully filtered your data in Canva Sheets in a quick and simple way. For more Canva tips, hacks, and tutorials, hit like, leave a comment, and I'll share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.